Disaster again. It's surprising, and at the same time when you think about it, not at all surprising, that when you know what the message should be, that errors stand out like a sore thumb. Today, another couple of issues. We noticed a piece where it should not be, and had another two left over from previous days. Luckily, we had approached this in a bit of a nerdy way, as finding out where the incorrect spots were was relatively easy. Knowing the colour of the erroneous piece helps a lot, and simply opening the spreadsheet provides us an easy way of filtering by panel, shape, colour, column and row. Dusting out the spreadsheet, we filtered for the colour we knew was erroneous, this time being pink, and filtered by the day we were up to, so this time being all pieces should be out by day 10. We were fairly certain it was meant to be on panel 1, so more filtering. We could see that there were supposed to be 5 pieces out, but we could only find 4 on the board. This left us with our candidates, for which we were easily able to manually check. Again, with the spare red piece, we were able to find its position on the board. There's still one extra red square though that shouldn't have come out yet, so we're a little bit confused about where that came from, but let's just see what happens there.